So may na-upload tayo na video for former Filipinos on their visa option, to stay for good in the Philippines without having to apply for dual citizenship. At ito nga yung 13G visa. It's a resident visa for former Filipinos na ayaw i-reacquire yung pagiging Filipino citizen nila at gusto nang mag-for good sa Pilipinas. Yes, pwedeng-pwede ito at madami tayong katanungan kung saan ito ina-applyan. Ina-applyan po ito sa Bureau of Immigration. Hindi po ito sa DFA kasi madami akong nakitang comment na applyan sa DFA. No, you must apply at the nearest Bureau of Immigration in your area. I-inquire ninyo kasi hindi lahat ng immigration offices nagkikater ng ganitong service. Gaya dito sa amin, Jensen kami, may Bureau of Immigration dito, pero hindi nila kinikater yung 13 series. So we had to go to Davao for that. Kaya ganun din yung gawin ninyo, i-inquire at magtanong kung saan pwedeng mag-apply ng 13G for former Filipinos na gustong mag for good sa Pilipinas pero ayaw maging dual citizen.